I just cannot emphasize enough, truly exquisite. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making tamarind rice pudding, which is my first time not making a Sicilian dish for this channel. I didn't know what to do with my leftover sheep's milk whey, so I found a recipe for tamarind rice pudding and substituted the whey for the rice milk. I also just had a block of tamarind laying around that I didn't know what to do with, so that's also why I wanted to use it for this. These are the ingredients I'm using for the tamarind rice pudding. First, I'm preheating the oven to 300 degrees. I'm going to measure how many cups of leftover sheep's milk whey I have and measure it into the baking dish. I forgot I need to use my liquid measuring cup, but so far I have 4 cups. Then I'm spooning in the can of coconut milk. And now I'm mixing in 1 1/3 cups of washed rice. Now I'm adding 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. So I didn't realize because I actually have block tamarind, I need to dissolve it in warm water for like 15 to 30 minutes before I can use it. I don't fully know what I'm doing with this tamarind, so I drained some of the water before and then started crushing it. So I read a little more and I decided to approach the tamarind differently. I'm soaking the whole block in water and then I'm going to press it through a sieve and then measure the amount that I need after that. And I'm mixing it up and pressing the hard parts into the water and it's turning into a paste. And now I'm going to press the tamarind through the sieve to remove the tough parts. Once I have enough tamarind paste, I'm adding about 5 1/3 tablespoons. And last, I'm adding some ground cinnamon and nutmeg. And then I am mixing up all the ingredients and dissolving the tamarind paste. Now I'm filling the basin with some water until it covers about half the height of the dish inside. And then I'm putting the whole thing in the oven. And after 2 hours, I have taken the pudding out of the oven and it looks ready to eat. Now I'm going to try the tamarind rice pudding. This is so soft and creamy and tangy. The tamarind's also kind of chocolatey. It's like really amazing. I also like how it formed this creamy layer on top. It's just like truly exquisite. This also just feels like really healthy, especially because of the whey in it. It's just like, it feels like a real like meal, not just like a dessert. I just cannot emphasize enough the creamy, amazing, tangy goodness of this. So good. I don't know. Thank you for joining me on this journey to make tamarind rice pudding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.